Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do some unboxing. I got a package yesterday. I ordered a Steam Mop at Amazon.com and it came yesterday. So I'm gonna unbox it and show it to you guys. And I'm going to put my my glasses because I cannot see. All right. So in the box, it looks like this. So the box looks like this, and the Steam Mop looks like that. So in the box, it says tap water. I can just use a regular water. Easy housework. Reusable cloth. Use on haired floors. Water resistance. Use on carpet and rugs. Purely physical cleaning. So the reason why I ordered this is I wanna steam the carpet and the floors because I've got 3 cats and they're always puking. So let's see the cloth. This is probably for the floors. Emo. And here's the tools, the gadgets. Here's the handle. There's another handle, and in here the mop head. So here's the head. Looks like this. All right, and here's the cup, and it looks like this. Alright, the cat is checking out the box. In here there's like a power button. The cord is attached right there. Alright, here's the thing and the handle. I ordered another set of cloth because this package only comes with 2 cloth right here. So I ordered another set so I can have extra, and it looks like this right there. Looks like that right there. There's a blue and white. I get this steamer user manual. This one called the main body. There's the power switch, steam adjustment, the water tank, and the water tank cap. All right. This one is the mop head. And this can be used in carpet and floor. So this one has a clip, and you can take that off and put the cloth in here and use it on the floor. And then if it's gonna use on the carpet, you need to install this. So like that. Right, like that. So that's the mop head. So here's the mop pads. This is the handle, and this is the cord wrap hook, the metal tube right there. I got the accessories here, the measuring cup. This one, the black one that can be detached, is called the carpet glider. The window cleaning tool looks like it's like a squeegee. It's towel. It's like a head wrap. Alright, for washcloth brush to disinfect clothes. This is for the disinfect clothes. Cleaning ovens, microwaves, shower, bathtubs, faucet fixtures, tiles, toys, refrigerator, etc. So this is gonna be useful for me for cleaning those appliances. And this one is the small round brush right there. This is the large round brush. So this one is the large round brush, and it's for semi cleaning ovens, microwave, showers, bathtubs, faucet, fixtures, tiles, toys, refrigerators, and etc. And I don't know what is this. Scraping tools. This is awesome because I'm gonna able to use this on my stove. So, and then the last one, nozzle. This is perfect for sanitizing the corners, the deep, you know, the small corners that's hard to reach. So that's really cool. I love that. Okay, so I love all the tools that it comes with it. All right, let's go install it. All right, installation. I'm gonna insert and press this release button so I can insert in this thing. All right, okay, and then this one, so this block that connects with the metal goes in the main body, and then there's a release button there too. Okay, there you go, it's locked. So there you go, it's locked, guys. All right, now it's this how it looks like. This part in here, and then this one is for the cords to wrap it in. So when you're done, you wrap the cord like that. All right, we're gonna attach it. So I'm gonna attach it. It has a port over here that you can press. So I'm going to attach it like this, and it's there. All right, okay, I can take over, babe. So the Steam Mop looks like that, right there. All right, and adjust it like that so you can move on the carpet like that. There's the on and off, and then here's the water tank. I don't know what's that for. All right, when you stand it, it needs to lock, and you're gonna hear it. Looks handy, looks simple and easy to use. So guys, that's all for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of unboxing. I'm gonna probably separate the video on how to try this on the floor and on the carpet. So it looks to me that it's easy to use, nothing really, you know, nothing really complicated to set it up, or you know, the installing is pretty much easy and it's really basic. And the tools are easy to use for me, looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, guys. I will see you again with my next one. Bye.